we will now discuss the last, that is the 18th title of law in Manusmriti, and that is miscellaneous. In short, some things which are not being covered in title number 1 to 17 would be covered in this, plus there are some more things. So let us see which are those more things which are included in this title. Lawsuits of king. जसे लोक एकमेकात दावे करायचे, राजालाही दावा करायचा असतो ना. आज गव्हर्नमेंट सुद्धा आपले दावे करते. आयडेंटिकल प्रोव्हिजन इकडे मिळते आपल्याला. ट्रान्सग्रेशन ऑफ किंग्स कमांडमेंट्स, ओबिडियन्स टुवर्ड्स किंग्स ऑर्डर, ग्रांट ऑफ टाउन्स, डिव्हिजन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट ऑफ स्टेट, regarding kinsman, regarding merchant. Now when we see these particular titles, we actually try to connect them with the present day provisions which are available in Constitution of India, ज्याला आपण स्टेट सब्जेक्ट म्हणतो किंवा गव्हर्नमेंट सब्जेक्ट म्हणतो ते. Now they are where they are placed in Constitution of India under part 4, Directive Principles of State Policy. Part 4 मध्ये Directive Principles of State Policy आहे की एक स्टेट कशी रन करावी, त्याचे काय पॉलिसी असाव्या, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये वादविवाद, आयडेंटिकल प्रोव्हिजन्स आर ऑल्सो देअर. हाऊ गव्हर्नमेंट विल फाईल अ सूट, अगेन्स्ट whom government will file a suit. So this is related to Constitution. So we can refer or we can infer that थोड्याफार प्रमाणात ह्या एन्शियंट लॉ मधला कुठला ना कुठला तरी टिंच किंवा स्मॉलर पार्ट हॅज बीन रिफ्लेक्टेड इन अवर प्रेझेंट डेज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. अँड ॲज आय सेड यू, एनी अदर डिस्प्यूट नॉट कवर्ड इन आर्टिकल 1 to 17 is covered in this particular topic. So friends, we have gone through the entire title of law from title number 1 to title number 18, and we have seen various similarities, resemblances which are there in the present law as compared to the ancient law which was written way back. We will just have a recap of all this so that we can compare everything and have a proper conclusion in this regard. We have now seen the 18 titles of law as stated by Narada. Now, after going through all those titles, we can easily see that some titles are absolutely identical to our present day law. Some titles are abolished in present day law. Some titles are lesser in their aspect in present day law, as well as some titles differ from other laws prevailing at ancient time. For example, Manu did not consider gambling as legal, but Narada, he has considered gambling as legal. Even a tax is paid to that. Some another topics in wages, there is no concept of bonus to be paid to anybody. So in this entire episode, when we have seen the different titles of law, we have come to know and we can safely put a question to ourselves as to, does our present law is in advance with ancient law, or it is only an identical replica of the ancient law? My friends, this my endeavor was to make you aware and know the ancient law as well as the present current system, and I expect that you will give me a good response, and I hope any kind of mistakes done by me will be pardoned by you, and I hope to meet you once again with some another topic and with some other ancient law compared to current law. Till then, thank you, goodbye, namaskar.